Hello everybody, I'm Dutch, and today I want to show how to put zipper pulls onto continuous coil zippers. So this is a continuous coil zipper. It's cut 11 foot long, and I put two zipper pulls on that are opposing each other so that they open in the middle. And this is the way that I do it. To start with, on a zipper, there's a side that you can see the coil and a side that you can't. On the zipper pull, when you hold it like this, you will see that there is a side that is bigger. You're going to want to put that side, which on this one is going to be the bottom, you're going to want to put that side towards the side that you can see the coil. So to start with, I take the coil and I separate the whole thing. And when I start these, make sure the zipper's oriented right. And I slide it on the one side first. And I just make it so that it's just coming out the back. And I know this is hard to see, but we're going to start the second side. Now, I grab both in the back and I'm able to pull that shut. This is going to be offset, but that's going to be okay because we can come back and we can cut this. Remember, this is going to be a non-separating zipper. So to get the opposing side on, and to make it so there's not going to be a gap, like you're not going to have one that's going to be uneven, so that when you close it there's going to be a 1/2 inch gap. We're going to run this all the way to the end, and again we're going to have one that is longer than the other one because we offset the back side. So we check out the zipper pull and we make sure that the big side of the zipper pull is facing the coils, and I started on the long one. And again, I just want to make it so it's coming out the back. Now, to make sure these stay even, I like to run this zipper pull very close. And this does get a little bit tricky. And I grab both the back halves and hopefully I can pull this through. If you don't get it the first time, if it winds up being uneven, you can pull the zipper pull completely off and do it again, which I might have to do this one. And there we go. Now I can slide both of these into the middle. We can put a zipper stop back here, or we can just stitch across here, and we can cut these both to the same length. Thank you, everybody.